Hi, this is Dale Corpus here from eXp Realty and welcome to San Ramon. I'm in front of my newest coming soon listing here. It's a one-story detached single family home featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,565 square feet of living space situated on a flat 9,200 square foot lot. Has a bright open floor plan with brand new updates such as renovated bathrooms, new granite kitchen counters, a new cooktop, LED candle lights throughout, and new paint. There are more than $25,000 in renovations in less than 2 years. The home has a low HOA dues and there's a community pool. It's close to Cal High, Montevideo Elementary, and San Ramon City Center. Tag someone or share this post if you think it might be a good match for them. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me and I'll see you on the next home.